Joe Beermaster. We have a 14 Honda Fit. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the bulb on the tail light. When the bulb burns out, what you have to do is open the hatch. And when you look on the inside, you'll see these two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. That's an 8mm, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to use an 8mm, and we're going to crank them out. Alright, so now they're out. First thing you want to do is try to wiggle it. Now, you got to understand that these are not only held in by the two bolts, it's also got a pin with a grommet here that holds it in. So you can wiggle it, but the key is to hold one hand here and then sort of hit it along here. This is tough to do as I'm filming, so I'm going to... So this one came out real easy. You can see it's got a slide, not a push pin. And on the inside is a slide. You sort of see that right there. Alright, so if you need to change a bulb, you would spin them out. And then you would pull that bulb straight out. It's hard to do with one hand because I'm filming here. But if you pull it out, there's a little number on these bulbs. You can see them right there vaguely against the background. Sometimes it's not just on the bulb, it's on the bottom part that goes into the socket. You can take it to your local supply house, or you can even tell them what bulb it is. If it's a reverse light, backup light, or whatever, they can match it up. This one is just electric wire. That's basically how it's done. Change the bulb, put it back together in reverse order, and that's it. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching.